doing it in half and then in 4 and then cutting it even more. And now this is the L'Amour 30-minute bleach, and so we're starting to mix up this liquid with the oxygen energizer here, as you can see. So now I'm mixing it up, and I'm beginning sectioning, putting this wet stuff on. It's nice and blue. It's still really liquidy here. Soon enough, this is going to get really, really challenging.
We also just restocked
Why doesn't it?
It's
like a glob. It's fine though, as long as we saturate the hair, I think. Feels like it's going well. Awesome. So we're looking at the color. Still looks really blue, really dark. Looks like nothing has happened. And after hearing we had made no progress, I was starting to feel disappointed. So I asked if I could reread the instructions. I guess you just take it out and wash it off and then try again.
Yeah, it is.
Round 2. That's because the first time we didn't have developer. We decided to use the classic quick blue bleach with 30 volume developer. It's a lot more right. There were so many red flags. Yes. How is it? It's like orange. Yay! Awesome. Not only were we seeing progress, but this was so much easier to apply. It was thin, it went on fast. I'm just sectioning here, continuing to go, teasing the hair a bunch, foiling it up, painting it on like fun. This is her hair, damp after the bleach. It's kind of orangey. We expected it to be like this. And the toner now that we're gonna use is this. With this. We are hoping it'll work well together. So this is after the toner. It's so much lighter. You can see the way it's laid throughout and the way we have attempted to incorporate it with whatever skills we kind of have. It's very nice. And now we're moving on to the next step. We're gonna color our own hair. I'm going red and I'm going hottie pink, so we'll see. And these are just some quick pictures of what our hair looked like before we put the fun colors on top. This is her finished hair to a twirl. See, color blended into mine. Yeah. It took a lot of red dye. 3 boxes to be specific. It got all over her legs. But that was okay because now it is so vibrant. So it was a very long process, but overall I was super excited to be able to make my dark hair so bright. And so just so you can see our hair close up here, yeah. Color. How bright it is now. She did a great job. I love it. Yeah.